Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your English writing book, means the book of PLS. Children, today I am going to teach you about colors and their names. And those colors and their names are given on page number 48. Now open the page number 48 and write with me. Children, what is this? Yes, apple. This is an apple. And children, what is the color of apple? Red. Yes, the color of apple is red. So, we will write here red. And children, what is the spelling of red? The spelling of red is R-E-D, red. What is the spelling of red? R-E-D, red. So children, we will write here red, R-E-D, red. So write with me. The spelling of red is R-E-D, red. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a fish. This is a fish. And what is the color of fish? Blue. Yes, the color of fish is blue. And here is given the spelling of blue. And the spelling of blue is B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. So children, we will write here the spelling of blue. What is the spelling of blue? B-L-U-E, blue. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a mango. What is this? This is a mango. Children, what is the color of mango? Yellow. Yes, the color of mango is yellow. And what is the spelling of yellow? Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Now read with me. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Now children, we will write here the spelling of yellow. The spelling of yellow is Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. And children, what is this? This is a grapes. This is a grapes. And the color of grapes is green. What is the color of grapes? Green. And the spelling of green is G-R-E-E-N, green. Now read with me. G-R-E-E-N, green. And you can also read like this. G-R-E-E-N, green. Now children, we will write here the spelling of green. Yes children, I wrote it, the spelling of green. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Children, what is this? This is a brinjal. This is a brinjal. And what is the color of brinjal? Purple. The color of brinjal is purple. And what is the spelling of purple? Yes, here is the spelling of purple. And the spelling of purple is P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Now children, you will write here the spelling of purple. The spelling of purple is P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. And children, what is this? This is an orange. This is an orange. And what is the color of orange? The color of orange is orange. And children, what is the spelling of orange? Yes, here is the spelling of orange. And the spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Now children, we will write here the spelling of orange. The spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E. Children, what is the spelling of orange? The spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. I hope children you will understand the colors and their names. Children, you will complete the page number 48 and do page number 49 at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.